It's an estate, lovely place, very secure environment. Everywhere interlock, lovely place. Security, 24-hour security, CCTV camera.
Widespread coordinated armed attack by Russian forces. The streets of Iran into something that resembled a war zone.
They were shooting at us from the top of the building and the Ashabi bridge. They were aiming with lasers and the shooters were shooting people in the face.
In Iran, we call this the scissor. Those forces took it after the protest. That is a very dramatic report, and it's something we have not seen yet.
I'm at a loss for words. These are the images that we have been seeing for the past few weeks, past couple of weeks coming out of Iran. And I would say there's far more violent and gruesome things that we're seeing and hearing, obviously. The Islamic Republic has effectively turned into an occupying power. I mean, it's trying to substitute violence for governance and terrorize people back into their homes, but the horror that the Islamic Republic is capable of, this is just at a scale that has us all pause and as you can see, I'm just at a loss for words.
Well, let me just intervene there. You know, clearly, as you said, and there's many people who study, you know, authoritarianism and totalitarianism and you know, the ability of this kind of group to stay in power. It is all about sowing terror. That's why they put that stuff on state TV, as the eyewitnesses were saying, to